Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we see that we have y and first derivative of y. So this one that is about linear differential equation. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that next to y that's e about number 1, and we need to know that positive number 1. This is for integrating factor, so we put this one gone here, and we have e to the power of s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we simplified. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we need to use about the product rule of the derivative. So we know that we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we know that we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of s. The integration of 2s, we have s squared, and I will put about c. Later that we divide both sides by e to the power of s. And this one we can write like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.